If you have issues with Wi-Fi not working properly on the Motorola Moto G87, what you can do is, first of all, we need to open the settings on your phone. And once you open settings, then you want to start by going to network and internet. Keep in mind that if you use VPN, although it is pretty rare, sometimes VPN can be the reason why you might have issues with the internet or with the Wi-Fi connection. So if you do use VPN, you want to either disable the profile that you have set up over here, or just go to the VPN app, if you use one, to turn off a VPN temporarily to see if that makes any difference. Also, if you made any change in private DNS setting, you might want to switch to automatic temporarily just for now to see if that helps. Besides that, we can also go to Wi-Fi, and here in the upper right corner we have this reset button, which we're going to use. So this arrow over here that is going in a circle, and this resets your internet. And after that, you should be able to connect to your Wi-Fi network straight away if you were connected before. In case you still have issues with connecting to your network, you can go to this setting icon right next to it if you have an option to do so, and then you can completely forget the network. Also, if you get disconnected from time to time and your phone doesn't want to reconnect to that network, you want to make sure that auto-connect is enabled. Besides that, if you have been connected to your Wi-Fi but it doesn't show up over here, you can also scroll all the way down and go to Saved Networks in order to select your network over here, and then you should be able to forget the network completely from your phone, just like that. Now, another thing that you can do is you can go back to the main menu of settings and then scroll down to System. And then once you open System Settings, you want to go to the Reset options. And then here we have Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, you cannot separate these things. So what you can do is, of course, reset both of them. And then you will have to pair all your Bluetooth devices again and connect to your Wi-Fi networks one more time. And hopefully this time it is going to work. So of course, after reset, go back to network and internet, open Wi-Fi, and just try to connect to your network. And another thing that you can do is you can test the Wi-Fi connection on another device. Of course, as long as you have anything else that uses Wi-Fi, and as long as that other device can be connected to the same Wi-Fi that you are trying to connect, of course, give it a try and see if you can actually connect to that to the same Wi-Fi and if it works correctly. If it doesn't, then it means that you have an issue with the Wi-Fi itself rather than with Wi-Fi on your phone. So of course, you should deal with that first before you can try to do any fixes on your phone. But if you have an issue only on your phone, then of course you can try to reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings. And also a simple restart of the phone can be quite helpful as well. So if you go to the control center or quick settings, over here we can open this power menu panel, and you can not power off, you can just restart your phone actually. And hopefully after restart it is going to be working again. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.